Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best custom welding helmets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Metalman ATEC 8735 SGC Professional Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. This Metalman welding helmet will be a great investment if you are a professional welder. Featuring cool graphics, this helmet is definitely an attention grabber. It comes with upgraded lens features as compared to previous models from the company, and your eyes will receive better protection. Powered by solar energy, this helmet uses County Route 2450 batteries as its source of power. The helmet comes with 4 arc sensors. This means that the lens on the helmet will remain dark even when it is blocked partially by the object that you are using the machine on. The sensors are technologically advanced and work fast. With this helmet, you will have access to a wide viewing area. You will be able to see your entire work area in just a glance. This helmet will allow you to change the shade control in a range of 9 to 13. You can also use the grind mode if you want to prevent the darkening of the lens when you are grinding. This custom helmet will fit you like it was made especially for you. The 5-point adjustable headgear will let you make all the necessary adjustments for the correct fit. ANSI and CSA approved, this helmet offers security and functionality together. It responds very swiftly to the light emitted from the electric arc. The removable sweatband is comfortable and washable. You will be able to wear the helmet for long periods at a time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Geelife solar-powered welding helmet. If you are looking for maximum eye protection, then you will be really impressed with this helmet because it comes with an auto-darkening filter that will keep your vision secure. It can switch from its lit state to dark in just 1/25,000th of a second. Moreover, the filter will block UV and IR radiation so that your eyes do not suffer any damage because of sunlight. This helmet operates on a lithium battery. Since this helmet is lightweight, you will have no problem wearing it for extended periods of time. This custom welding helmet features a colorful graphic design that will catch everyone's eye. The rounded perimeter ensures that you are comfortable while wearing the helmet. The edges are smooth, and your skin will not suffer any marks. You will be able to make as many adjustments as needed in order to find your perfect fit. You can experiment with different combinations until the helmet fulfills your personal preferences. The viewing area measures 7 square inches and you will get a wide view easily. The advanced optics will not let you down. The helmet comes with luminous transmittance and angular dependence. You can view your subject clearly from all different angles. The battery can be charged with the help of solar panel technology, which is an excellent feature. If you want a versatile helmet at an affordable price, then this is the product for you. At number 3, we have the Dekopro welding helmet. It does not hurt to look super cool when you are working on your welding project. Featuring a vibrant skull graphic, this helmet will surely get you some compliments. Equipped with an auto-darkening filter, it will protect your eyes from all kinds of damage. The lens can transition from light to dark within just 1/25,000th of a second. If the electricity supply is cut off for some reason, your eyes will still be protected against harmful UV and IR radiations. The helmet comes with several options for manual adjustments so that every user is happy. The sensitivity and delay settings are meant to boost the adaptability of the helmet in different environments. If you know that your task will take up a very long time, you can make the necessary changes. The enhanced visibility offered by the helmet will give you complete control over your work. Your color recognition will not be affected. The standard visor will give you a clear view of your working area. The combination of light diffusion, angular dependence, and changes in luminous transmittance will allow you to view your project from different angles. This helmet is so light that your head will feel no pressure when you are wearing it for a long time. The auto-darkening filter controls the shade of the lens so that your eyes can adjust to different environments easily. The battery can be powered by solar energy. At number 2, we have the YESWELDER True Color Solar-Powered Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. This unique helmet features an oversized cushion so that your head feels supported. The cushion also increases the adjustability of your helmet. Since this product is meant to be a custom helmet, the idea is that you will get the perfect fit for yourself after making adjustments. The most important feature of this helmet is that it is equipped with true color technology, which means that you will have a clear vision of everything you are doing. The improved visibility boosts the clarity of every image that you see, and there will be no unnecessary distortions. Moreover, the technology is supposed to minimize the coloring on the view screen so that your eyes suffer less strain and can hence work longer. The external control panel of this helmet is easily navigable and can be accessed easily. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the helmet comes with 2 auto-darkening sensors to increase the response time of the lens against the bright arc. And finally at number 1, we have the Jackson Safety Insight Variable Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Jackson Safety Insight Variable Welding Helmet is an excellent investment if you want your eyes to receive the best protection possible. You will not have to make any manual adjustments in order to turn the lens dark when you are welding. The auto-darkening feature of the lens will take care of that for you. The variable shade range is between 9 and 13. As soon as the helmet detects the light arc, it will make the visor turn dark, and your eyes will adjust to the new condition easily. When you are welding, it is crucial that you have a clear and unobstructed view of your working space. If you are working on a big project, you will not want to lift the hood time and again in order to get a glimpse of the object with the welder in your hand. This helmet offers you a viewing area that measures 3.93 x 2.36 inches so that you can view your surroundings without any problem irrespective of how far you are into the welding process. The helmet comes with digital controls that are easily navigable. You will have no problem learning how to use the helmet. Since the helmet is a custom product, it will allow you to necessary adjustments so that it fits you perfectly every time. You can experiment with the sensitivity and delay settings so that the helmet is suitable for a particular task. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.